Hi guys,
Hi.
chefguile here.
Subscribe.
Hey, no, I don't need you to comment on everything I say, okay? So I need you to shh while I do this, okay? What? You want to wear that one? Fine, wear that one. Okay. Anyways, today I'm here to answer a question that a lot of you guys have been asking me about the typewriter. What is it? What kind of a restaurant are we featuring? And Thomas is getting all sorts of things. Do you need help? Saucy will help him.
Okay.
All right. Anyways, so that's the question I want to answer today, is what kind of a restaurant the typewriter is. Okay? It all started with, well actually it started the moment I began the Facebook page. The moment I started talking to people about it. Started. Yes, this is Nastasia. All right, you babies. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Okay. It all started when I started with when I began the Facebook page. When I started talking to people about about starting this project of mine, starting the typewriter and all that. And people kept asking me this question: what is the typewriter? What is it? What kind of restaurant are we going to be expecting out of you? Like, when I go, what kind of food should I be expecting? And honestly, the answers I would give him were just like these congealed blobs of cool concepts, cool ideas, things I wanted. 90-day beef, 90-day aged beef, or like minimalistic plating, or really bold, exciting flavors, using cuisines from all over America. All these different cool ideas, using local seasonal, foods and ingredients. Okay, those were things that I wanted, but I could never. Oh dear. Anyways, and I just couldn't give anyone a straightforward answer. Okay, so I finally just sat down because I was so frustrated one weekend. I just sat down and I hammered it out. I got all the ideas. I wrote them all down. I put them all down on pieces of paper, and I said, okay, what do I like? What do I not like? And then we took out the pieces that we didn't like. We mashed pieces together that seemed to make sense. And this is what I've come up with. This is what the typewriter is. The typewriter will be a fine dining date night restaurant. Okay, we're going to feature contemporary American cuisine, and we're going to work with the local farmers, ranchers, and businesses to bring ingredients that are not only seasonal but are great for the community that we live in, because they're already here. And we're going to use techniques that are also seasonal, that are also appropriate. We're going to use these seasonal ingredients in ways that are appropriate for the season. Okay, and we do this because we want to bring to the table bold, forward flavors.
Hello, put this on you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, put this on mine. Okay, a second one. And we do this because I want to bring to the table not only flavors and food that are bold and forward, but also that are presented in a really elegant and no-nonsense kind of fashion. Oh my goodness, babies. Okay. So in summary, the pitch that you just heard is okay, thank you. The pitch you just heard, the series of concepts and ideas, are what the typewriter are going to be. Okay. Now there will be follow-up videos to explain each point that I'm talking about. To better explain how the typewriter is planning on achieving these standards that we've set up. And there will be a type that we will type it down below in the comments. Okay? All right, and so that you can read it over and over again. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you walk away knowing what kind of a video or what kind of a restaurant the typewriter is going to be. And I hope you would just, okay, guys. And I hope you would be interested in seeing and supporting my restaurant, the Typewriter. Thanks for watching the video. We follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Click and like and subscribe to this video channel. That'd be great. and there'll be a lot more stuff to come. Hopefully with either this one or that one over there. Have a good day.
You got to say supersize.
What? Oh yes, and they're
And
superstars.
then supersize.